Evangel High School. My alma mater. Where knowledge was baked and served fresh in the days of Mr. Okezi, Piper, Mr. Ezra, Miss Jane, Mr. Ojike, Mr. Sokwad, and the like. A place that built the foundation of today's doctors, lawyers, scientists, engineers, journalists, bankers, accountants, analysts, and many have transited to a deserted zone. Bushes and dilapidated buildings are hovering around the premises with few humans to behold. This great citadel of learning is today begging for help. Chai, an entrance through the gate reminds me of the days of manual labor and punishment. Today, the fear and joy of schooling are gone. Where are the likes of Mr. Akpo, Mr. Amanaha, Mr. Inwaram, Mrs. Inyang, Mrs. Ukachi, Mrs. Mgbiembe? Who instilled discipline and hard work in us? Wherever you are, please, raise 3 happy cheers for them. Who shall come to the rescue of this great place of learning? Subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.